In this lesson, I'm going to solve an equation with a square root. Now, we move the second term to the right side of the equation. So we have square root 2x subtract 3 equals to 1. The negative square root x subtract 2 move to the right side, it becomes positive square root x subtract 2. Now we square both sides of the equation. Square left side of the equation, we apply this formula. Square of square root a equals to a, when a is a number which is larger than or equals to 0. So square left side of the equation, we have 2x subtract 3, which equals to, now square right side of the equation, we use this formula. A plus b square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square is 1 plus 2 times 1 times square root x subtract 2 plus square of square root x subtract 2, which is x subtract 2. Now keep the square root x subtract 2 times 2 in the right side of the equation. Keep move other terms to the left side of the equation. So we have 2x subtract 3. Move this term to the left side of the equation. 1 become negative 1. Move this term to the left side of equation. Positive x become negative x. Move the negative 2 to the left side of equation. It becomes positive 2. Keep this term. 2 times x square root x subtract 2. Now 2x subtract 1x, which equals to 1x. Negative 3 negative 1 equals to negative 4 plus positive 2 equals to negative 2, which equals to 2 times square root x subtract 2. Now we square both sides of the equation to remove the square root. Square left side of the equation, we apply this formula. Square of a subtract b equals to a square subtract 2ab plus b square. So this is x square subtract 2 times x times 2, which is 4x, plus 2 square, which is 4, equals to 2 times 2. 2 square is 4, times square of square root x subtract 2 equals to x subtract 2, which is 4x subtract 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Now move the 4x and the negative 8 to the left side of the equation. We have x squared subtract 4x plus 4 subtract 4x plus 8 equals to 0. Now we have x squared subtract negative 4x plus negative 4x equals to negative 8x. Positive 4 plus positive 8 equals to positive 12. This equals to 0. Now we factor left side of the equation x equal to 0. The constant term is 12. This is negative 8. When negative 2 times negative 8, negative 2 times negative 8 is positive 12. And negative 2x plus negative 6x equals to negative 8x. X times x is x squared. So we get the left side factored to x subtract 2 times x subtract 6 equals to 0. When x subtract 2 equals to 0, we have x equals to 2. When x subtract 6 equals to 0, we get x equals to 6. So we have x1 equals to 2 and x2 equals to 6. Now we apply x equals to 2 into the original equation. Find left side of the equation equals to right side of the equation. So x1 equals to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now apply x2 equals to 6 to the original equation. Find left side of the equation equals to right side of equation. So x2 equals to 6 is the solution of the given equation. Now we get two solutions for the given equation. Thank you for watching.